The map is an application which opens as an add-in for Microsoft Excel. It operates in a custom task pane using some out-of-the-box Esri controls along with some custom controls. There are two basic techniques when using the map add-in: starting with crashes selected on the map and analyzing them with a pivot table, or starting with crashes in a pivot table and locating them on the map. We'll show an example of each method. First, we'll use this SDM pop-up box, which has navigation and searching capabilities. The features toggle on and off the different layers, such as railroads or aerials. The roads and their associated crashes may be selected by searching the road network. Let us select some crashes from an intersection in Springfield. The easiest way is to first navigate to the city. Springfield shows up when we type in enough of the city's name. County, structure, and crash are also searchable. We'll zoom to the location of our intersection. In this case, our focus will be the crashes in this corner of Springfield at the intersection of I-55 and Stevenson Drive. Then we'll select the crashes. Three main types of selection are available: rectangle, circle, and polygon. Since we're selecting the crashes at an intersection, we'll select them with a circle. Note that once the crashes have been selected on the map, they are displayed in the grid below the map. This data is retrieved from the DataMart relational tables and is only at the crash level. In the grid, users can refine which crashes are selected by enabling and disabling, as well as perform other actions on the individual crash level. The enabled checkbox lets you select or deselect a crash. Or we might only want the crashes from 2008, so we can use the auto filter. Of course, you could return to your original selection. While the columns are initially set by default, the user can customize them with the field picker. We could choose to send this over to the fields, and then you'd say set. Next, we'll send those selected crashes to a pivot table. Pivot tables in Excel allow users to browse the full cube, so though the grid can be used to compare a small number of crashes and display crash attributes, a pivot table provides the ability to attain a much more comprehensive understanding, including information at the vehicle and person levels. We choose to view the crashes on dry roads and slice them by crash severity. So we'll put crash count in the values, road surface condition in the report filter, and crash severity in the row labels. We'll set the road surface condition filter so that only the crashes that happened when the road was dry are shown. Now we have a report of crashes at a certain intersection, and only those which occurred on dry surfaces. We decide to add the year to the report, but filter it to show only the last two complete years, 2007 and 2008. The breakdown of crashes is now by year, then severity. Of course, you still have full ad hoc browsing of these crashes selected spatially in the map interface.